Hello, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Ru. Today I got another tech unboxing to do. So today what we have here is the ROG Phone 5, but this is the S version. Snapdragon the 888 Plus processor. I'm gonna get rid of this plastic because it's really shiny and it's very ugly. Alright, so let's take a look at the box. Nice little rainbow logo right there. You guys can see the 05 right here. ROG Phone 5S. Take a look at the side. Take another side right here. Take a look at the back. Bottom. Alright, let's open this. That's the Akira VR. Slightly different from the 5 Pro version, the box I mean. And we have some documentation right here. Got a SIM injection tool. And of course a free case. Nice. Documentation. More documentation. And ugly stickers. So here's the phone. Oh, we'll look at this in a moment. What else is in the box? So we got the standard fast charging brick. Standard USB-C braided cables, and of course the little pogo rubber pin things. I got a few because they know they're gonna lose them. Ha. Ha. So now I'll take a look at a phone. So again, this is the ROG 5S version only. This is not a Pro version. This is the 5. This is the 8 gig 128 ROM version. Oh, it still looks pretty nice. So instead of the ROG Vision here, we got the RGB lights on this phone. So we're going to start it up. So we have the power button right here with a nice little red accent. Volume rocker. So we've got the trigger touch buttons here. SIM tool. SIM tray. This is the side charger port and the pogo pin. The headphone jack, another charger port, nothing at the top. Yeah, it looks pretty nice too. So that this is a VR startup. It's the same as all the other versions of the phone. That vibration. So this is the phone itself. Again, this is the 8 gig RAM, 128 gig ROM. This is the ROG 5S, not Pro. yeah, it feels pretty solid as well. I guess that's the only main difference, which is the RAM size and the ROM size. But other than that, the specs are all the same. As we got RGB lights at the back, that's when the X mode is on. So yeah, that's the unboxing, guys, for ROG Phone 5S. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.